Good morning, madam. How are you? Hi. Hi. Good morning. Good morning, precious baby girl. Oh my gosh, I love you so much. Cinnamon rolls.
Good morning.
Good morning. You love your fan, huh? You're smiling so hard. And tongue out and everything. It was so cute. There we go. There you go. There you go. No smiles? You happy about it now? No? Come on, it was so cute. So I was just going to grab my camera and just record it on my phone and record it on there, but oh well, I missed it. Okay. Hello! It's like ceiling fan. I see my ceiling fan. I see the ceiling fan. Boop. Boop. Boop.
I just almost sliced my finger. That was terrifying.
You almost did what?
I almost sliced my finger.
What?
I
How?
almost caught the tip of my finger. Like the start of my finger.
How'd you almost manage to do that?
I was chopping potatoes and I almost caught my finger.
What? I'm glad you didn't cut yourself.
Hmm?
I am glad that you did not lacerate yourself.
Same.
It's like, what is going on? Smiles. Smiles. The soulful eyes of a baby Paloma.
So Daddy was home with the baby while Grams and Mommy went and got some new clothes for the baby and some beanie babies too because they're cute. And we got a bunch of new clothes that we have to wash. She's taking a nap. And yeah, new clothes. Woo! And a new book about volcanoes because volcanoes are cool. Stew. Stew. Do you like your stew, babe?
Always. One sock down, one more to go. She looks like she's happy with herself. Go to sleep now, little one. Te amo la cacahuate.
But Daddy, I can't sleep until I got both my socks off.
No, you don't need to get both of them off.
Yes, I do.
Your work here is done. You may not rest. Haha. I made your mom yawn. Good night.
Daddy, just put your sock back on and you got the other one off. What are we gonna do with you, huh? No socks, baby.
Like, I ain't sleeping.
Oh, I don't care if you don't sleep. You still have to have your socks on. Ah.
Sucks again.
Yep, she has succeeded in getting both the socks on the floor. That's my girl. You proud? You proud of yourself? You proud of yourself? This just in. What's it in?
It's hitting every tabloid on every city block.
Yeah? What is?
The talk of the retirement of the Scotty Terror.
Aw, why are we retiring Scotty Terror?
Too big.
Too big. What do you mean too big?
Too small.
Too small. Oh. Aw. Aw.
El Scotty is too big for the Terror.
Aww. Are you sure it's not the Terror being too big for the Scotty?
No.
Pretty sure she's the Terror. Oh, well. Actually, I think it'll fit a little while longer. But yeah, this maybe might be the last time that she wears it. Because it's getting a little snug.
Are we saying bye-bye to El Scotty Terror? Tune in next time to find out on Paloma Bird
News.
News, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, if you like this video, hit the thumbs up button.
And hit the subscribe button so that way you can watch more of us, yeah.
And good night.